Hey there, today we'll be playing Gobbling Goblins. Now, the purpose of this game is to use your ability of addition to work out how many ingredients you need for the meals that the chefs want. So, as you can see up here, the number 4, so that means how many ingredients we need. So we've got 2 there, add them together, click on the meal, and you've completed that meal. So basically you just keep going through that until you've completed all the plates. So you just got to keep adding up and completing meals, making sure you have the right amount of ingredients each time. So once that is done, you are able to feed these meals to the chefs. So we've just completed the meals. And now you have to feed these to the chef. So whatever the chef wants is what he gets. So as you can see here, the number 4, you must drag that over to the even numbers or the less than 15 chefs, as they're the only 2 that can accept it, as number 4 is not an odd number. So you can just drag it over to either of them. Once again, the number 4, even number. Making sure you read because they do change. So you've got 10 here, so that's now an even number, which is over here. Number 6, another even number. Number 4, once again, even. So basically, that's all you got to do is drag the right amount to the right chef. This theory can be applied when you go to the shops, buying ingredients, making sure you know how much you need. It's also really good helping kids learn how to add up different things. This is a very effective game as it gets students thinking about addition and adding up very quickly as you're under time constraint. Basically it's a very informative game teaching kids how to add up correctly. Thank you.